Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today start some problems, very easy, very simple, but process something is lengthy. So average, what is the problem given? Let us consider the problem. There are three consecutive odd numbers and three consecutive even numbers. The smallest even number is 9 more than largest odd number. If the square of average of all three given odd numbers is 507 less than the square of the average of all three given even numbers, what is the smallest odd number? This is a problem. Now three consecutive odd numbers, three consecutive even numbers given. First we consider the odd numbers and even numbers. First given odd numbers, let the three consecutive odd numbers be x minus 2, this is x plus 2. We consider this x minus 2 x plus 2, or we can write and x plus 2. These are the three consecutive odd numbers. So again we consider and consecutive even numbers b y minus 2 y and y plus 2. These are the odd consecutive even numbers. These are even consecutive numbers. Three even consecutive numbers. But according to the question, the smallest even number is 9 more than the largest odd number. Smallest even number is this, and 9 more than the largest odd number. Largest odd number is this. According to the question, case 1 we consider smallest even number. Smallest even number is this, equal to 9 more than the largest odd number. Largest odd number is x plus 2. X plus 2 plus 9. This one. This is given. Now this can be written as taking x left hand side, y minus x equal to this is 11 and 2, this one 13. We consider this is number 1. This first part we done. Next given, if the square of average of all odd three given odd numbers is 507 less than square of the average of all three even numbers. So case 2 we consider this square of this x minus 2 whole square x square x plus 2 whole square by 3 plus 507 equal to y minus 2 whole square y plus 2 whole square by 3. This according to the question. So this one given, if the square of average of all three given odd numbers, these are square, average means three numbers means dividing by 3. Three given odd number is 507 less, that means we adding here 507 equal to this square of even numbers, this. Now if we calculate this is a minus b whole square, a square minus twice ab plus b square this is x square, a plus b whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 by 3, this is 507. Similarly, here also I calculate y square minus 4y plus 4 plus y square 4y plus 4. We get this. So x square how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3x square. 4x cancel. Then 4 and 4, this is 8. Plus 507, here 3y square, 4y cancel, plus 8 by 3. We get this one. This implies x square 3, this by this, x square 3x square by 3, 8 by 3, 507, this is 3y square by 3 plus 8 by 3. We get this one. Then 8 by 3 cancel, 3 cancel, we get x square plus 507 equal to y square. We get this one. And this implies, taking x square right hand side, this implies y square minus x square equal to 507. A square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, 507. And y minus x is 13. So y plus x into 13, y minus x 13, 507. Y plus x equal to 507 by 13, and this will be 507 by 13. If we calculate this, so if we divide this one, we get 39. So what we get? We get y plus x equal to 39. This is number 2, and here y minus x, y plus x. If we adding these two, 1 plus 2 implies, then x cancel, 2y equal to, this is 2 and 4, 5, 52. Then y equal to, we get, this is 39 and this 12, 4, 5, 52. Then we get y equal to 2, 26 we get. The value of y is 26. And putting the value of y any one of this equation, 2 is nearer. 2 implies this is 26 plus x equal to 39. X equal to 39 minus 26. X equal to, this is 3, 13. Therefore, what we get? X equal to 13, y equal to, we get 26. But our requirement, what is the smallest odd number? Smallest odd number is x minus 2. This is smallest odd number. So we get ultimately smallest odd number is x minus 2. Therefore, smallest odd number equal to x minus 2. X means 13 minus 2, this is 11. And this is our answer. Answer is 11. Very easy solution, but process is long. We can jump up also. If we jumping, then we get our result, but mistakes chance we have. By practice, we can easily jump up. So, dear students, clear this solution. Solution is long but easy. Very simple. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.